Hey guys, it's me again, Jocelyn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do my after school routine. As you can see, I just got home. I'm really tired, and now it's like 20 or 22 degrees outside, and now I can feel the spring vibe. So it is already like 4. Yes, late ako umuwi kasi we have OSSLT practice. So I'm just gonna change my clothes cut. Nakadoble pa ako, so let's go. I'll be right back. So I'm done, and ito na yung suot ko. I'm wearing short right now, and look at that. She was waiting for the treats because every time na umuwi ako, I usually give her a food or like a treat. Look at that treats. It's really big though. So I'm gonna give her. Just sit, Mayo. Sit. Wow, you're facing the camera. So before I gave her a food, I'm gonna... Mio, high five! So, napakain ko na siya. I need to find my notebook where I put my homework sa math. Kasi my teacher was asking earlier kung saan yung mga homework namin. And I didn't notice na naiwan ko siya, and I don't know where is it. Oh my gosh, it's really terrible. Hindi ko naalala or wala ko naalala na tinanggal ko siya sa bag ko. Like, wala talaga akong kamalay-malay na naiwan ko siya, na misplace ko lang or something.
Hindi wala. Ito na, yun, tsaka laptop lang yung naman ng bag ko. Ayun, saan kaya yun? Let me just find it guys, kasi hindi ko pwede.
So, I just found it. And guess kung saan ko tinakuha. I found it in my bag when we went to the shop just to review or magpalipas ng oras doon. Like, sobrang dumb. After doing my homework, I'm gonna do organizing all my stuff kasi I'm not organized today. I don't know what is happening. So let's go. I'm just gonna open my mic kasi it's really noisy. So magpapahinga lang ako after nun. Gagawa na homework kasi minsan tinatamad ako after school, or minsan naman gumagawa ako after kumain, ganun, mga 8 or 9, ganun, depende. So maybe kasi wala naman ako masyadong homework, pero ayun, need ko lang i-organize yung mga stuff ko kasi medyo naguguluhan ako lately. All of my stuff are really messy. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na sila. Siguro now, I will do it, pero medyo pagod kasi ako. Wala akong nainom na tubig kasi naiwan ko yung bottle ko dun sa school. And we have water naman, pero walang ayoko kasi. So, yes, I'm just gonna like use social medias right now, and after nun, mga after kumain or after neto mamaya, I can do my homework now. So let's go. So I'm done. Homework na. Hindi ko natapos lahat kasi hindi ko alam yung iba. So ayan, may malagpas pa. So I'm gonna do my homework right now. Dumating si mama. But I will do it now. OSSLT is really important guys kasi yung way para makagraduate ka. So, ayan. This is only a practice. So, I'll be right back kasi bakit? Charot. Babalikan ko kayo guys. So, ilan lang naman to. Pero it takes a lot of time. So, be right back. So, tapos na ako sa OSSLT practice ko, and now, I'm gonna organize my school stuff kasi mamaya na ako sagot ng math. So, ilalagay ko lang dito yung mga OSSLT practice ko.
Meron pa ba English? Pwede mag-take notes lang. Ay, wala naman itong book. So, ito na naman talaga sa English. So, ayun. Funny!
30s! Ito yung gagawin namin bukas. If hindi pa ako tapos sa mga gagawin ko, nilalagay ko siya sa sticky notes. And then, so, ano ko lang, I need to like, drama, English, ESL is my geography, physical, and test note, test cheat sheet, religion, sa religion, math, homework, and then i-stick ko na lang siya. Okay na. Yun lang. Tapos na. Ayusin ko lang tong bag ko, guys, ha. Ayan, nag-uwi pa ako. Hindi ko naman pala kakainin. Do you know this thing? And then, maglalaro lang ako kasi break time. Duh. Magre-rest muna ako and kumakain ako ngayon. And after nun, gagawa na ako ng math. So,
A few inches later.
someone just stole my spot. And now, I cannot do my homework. I was doing my maths. Ayaw niya mag-give up. See? Go. Go. I don't need you. Wag ka umupo dyan, Mio. Mio! Go! Umupo na siya. Kunin ko yung treats niya para mabudol ko siya. O, yan. Tignan nyo? Malis. Damn! What the f***? What the f***? Wait. No! Go! Nabuhos ko. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang kasi baka bumaba na naman siya. So, as you can see kung paano ako kadam. I'm really dumb that time. Hindi ko inisip na magiging ganon. Grabe. Pinagod ako, grabe. Teka lang, guys. So, ayun. Na-struggled ako doon and kailangan ko muna maglinis sa baba. And gagawin ko na yung homework ko. So, see you later. I'm sorry for that really disgusting and disappointing and upsetting. Ito na yung mga nasugatan ko. Ayan. Kakain na kami and I'll be right back. And yan, gagawa na ulit ako ng homework. So, I'll be right back. Ang ulam namin ay spring roll. Huh? So, ayun guys, I'm done and my mom is sleeping na. So, nandito ako ngayon sa taas para hindi siya And it's already like 10:18. I'm tired also. So, I'm gonna brush my teeth and yun, matutulog na ako. So, good night guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please pick a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!